Package po? Okay, wow, we have a package! Yay! Pasok po kayo. Richard, quiet. Oh, okay. Sabi na po. It's heavy. Oh, it's huge. It's a huge box. Saan galing? Be careful po, be careful. Okay, pasok kayo. Okay, we're gonna open the box now. And there's Romeo. And say hello, Isabella.
Hello!
Okay, and let's see what's inside. Wow, welcome to our unboxing vlog. It's from UAE, from our fan in UAE. So let's open it to Romeo. Say hello, Belle.
Hello!
Oh, okay, let's see what's inside. Wow, what's that, Daddy? What's that? Ah, milk. Can I see? Wow, instant milk powder. Thank you. Chocolates! Yay! What's that? What's that, Belle?
Lego friend!
Yay! What will you say?
Thank you!
Thank you. Okay. What else? Another toy! Wow! What will you say, Belle?
Thank you!
Thank you. Okay. Ah, chicken. What's this? Spam. Chicken luncheon meat. Wow. Thank you. What's this for Isabella again? It's bubble camera. Wow. It's Crocs. It's for Daddy. Ano to? Panglaba. Yes, for washing. For washing machine. For yes. This one is also ano to? Open. Please open it, Daddy. Open.
Oh, no.
Just open it. What's that?
So can you open this?
Okay, we will open it later. No. Yes. Okay, continue, Daddy. Daddy Romeo, what's that? Wow, Quaker Oats. Okay, that Mommy's favorite and Daddy's favorite. Okay, are you happy, Isabella?
That's it, Mommy!
Okay. This is baby wipes. And wow, for coffee and hot water. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's that, Daddy? Shampoo, conditioner. Shampoo. Thank you. Honey, oh, for my hair. Thank you so much. It's for my hair because Romeo has no hair.
That is it. Pen.
What's that? Please open it, Daddy. Please open it. Daddy Romeo. Please open, Daddy. Open. Open it. Mask. Thank you so much. And what's this?
It's lotion.
Lotion for sensitive skin.
Skin.
Yeah. Okay. And we have a small box. Okay. Open it, Daddy. What's inside the box? Wow. Okay. Open it. What's inside? Wow! What's that, Daddy? I like it. Wow. Nice.
Secret.
Victoria's Secret. And this is spray. Wow. Okay. Wow, that's a lot. Yan na si Daddy. Thank you so much. Wow. I like it. Thank you, thank you. And this one for my hair again. Yes, hair mask. Wow. And this one. What's this? Okay, conditioner. Olive oil hair conditioner. Wow, thank you. Thank you. And we have a keychain for my collection. Thank you so much. And what's this? Oh, this is for Romeo. Okay. When we're traveling. Oh, wow, thank you. What's this? Parang white flower, ano? Yes. Thank you so much. Wow, what's this? Lace! Wow, my favorite! Wow, and Isabella's favorite and Ate Fame's favorite.
Wait, look! That's one!
What's that, Bebel? What's that?
That's ding dong!
Wow! mommy. Okay. It's upside down. Wow! You have lots of toys. And one more toy, Belle! Wow! Thank you! It's a remote control motorcycle! Wow! Say thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And we have diapers! Wow, for Isabella. Isabella is not using diaper anymore because she's already 5 years old. But she's using it when she is sleeping at night. Okay, so thank you. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. What's that? Ah, brief. Okay, this is for Daddy. Come on, Daddy. Wow! Tissue. Thank you so much. Ang ganda naman mag-use ng tissue na galing abroad. Wow. Try natin. This color pink. My favorite color. I think this is ano? Ah, mask. Thank you. Wow. 2 boxes.
It's a color. He did it here.
Wow, lotion. Can I, wait a minute. Okay, thank you.
Yes. Look.
Yes.
Look at the color.
Okay. Wow, what's that, Daddy? What's inside? Open it, Daddy. Open. What's this? Wow. Wow. Taste. Oh my. Thank you so much. Wow.
Wait, okay. That,
Wow, thank you so much, honey, for my throat and Romeo's throat. Thank you so much. What's that, Daddy? Oh no, it's so heavy. What's that? Active, oxygen, powerful, stain removal particles. What's this? Panglaba. 9 kilograms. Thank you so much. Wow, powder for washing clothes. Here, Sadala. What's that? T-shirts! Wow! For Daddy. Come on, Daddy. Ang dami pa. Wow! This is... Open it, Daddy. Open. Wow! What's this? Panty! Okay, Daddy. Marks and Spencer. Can I see? Oh, Marks and Spencer. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's that? Tea! Wow, thank you so much for the green tea. I love it. Thank you. Wow, soap. Okay, moisture plus skincare soap. Thank you. Aloe vera. Wow. Thank you. What's this? Olive oil. Thank you so much for the olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. Thank you. Okay. Pakita mo, Daddy.
Cream body shower.
Wow. Thank you. Pakita mo. Wow. Can I see? This is... Oh, what's this? Open it, Daddy. I can't read it. See?
okay, why you open this?
Ah. For my hair again. Thank you so much. You're so thoughtful. Thank you. Okay. Soap again. Liquid soap. Ah, what's that? Crocs. Cell phone holder. Thank you so much. Wow, corned beef. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Wow, konti na lang. What's that, Daddy? Wow, I think that's ano. Wow, ang laki. Wow! Chocolates! Open it, Daddy. Open, open. What's this? Ah, dates! Wow! Very healthy. Dates. Yay! Chocolates! Yay! More chocolates! Yay! I love it. Oh. What's this? Chocolate again! Yay! Wow, we have vitamin C. Thank you so much. Vitamin C, 500 milligrams. Thank you. Wow. Glucometer. Okay, for Romeo. Thank you. Wow, chocolate again. Yay. Chocolate again. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Lots of chocolates. Wow. I hope there's dark chocolate. May dark chocolate ba dyan?
Yeah, they like.
Ay. Okay. What's vitamin C? Wow. Thank you so much for the vitamin C. Thank you so much. Wow. What's this? Wow. Multivitamins. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. 300 tablets. Wow. Yay. Thank you. Wow. Ay! Ay! Nahulog! Oh no! Oh, nahulog. Okay. What else? Last one. Okay. Lotion. For sensitive skin. Thank you so much, and that's all. Wow, so mandami, so many. Thank you so much. Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Thank you. Thank you.